My name is Rishikesh. I'm studying 8th class in Narayana English Medium School, Bapatra branch. For Science Day, my project is object detection for impaired people. Uh, Object detection for blind people can help them navigate safely by identifying and warning them about harmful objects in their surroundings. This system uses a camera to scan the environment and detect any dangerous objects in their surroundings,
Scissors
like
detected.
knives, scissors,
Scissor.
gun. A deep learning model such as YOLO V8 can recognize the objects in real time. When a harmful object is detected, it triggers a audio sound or vibrations